Today we're going to look at the scientific studies of how walnut can prevent cancer. Walnuts are round, single-seeded stone fruits that grow from the walnut tree. They are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Walnut trees are native to North America, but are now commonly grown in China, Iran, and within the United States, mainly in California and Arizona. Cancer is a disease in which some of the body's cells grow uncontrollably and spread to other parts of the body. It's a complex process, and certain compounds in our foods can inhibit this uncontrollable growth or even kill the cancer cells. Emerging research shows potential for walnuts to contribute to a cancer preventive diet through several compounds possibly working together. L-glutamines, melatonin, and gamma tocopherol may each work through different paths to reduce oxidative stress, inflammation, and gene expression that can lead to cancer. In a study published in 2014, researchers found that eating walnuts inhibited the growth rate of human breast cancers implanted in mice by approximately 80%. The walnut-containing diet reduced the number of mammary gland tumors by 60% in the mouse model. They also found that walnuts slowed the growth of prostate, colon, and renal cancers by anti-proliferative and anti-angiogenic mechanisms. This means that walnuts have the ability to stop the blood vessels from feeding the cancers. They concluded that walnuts may be included as a cancer preventive choice in a healthy diet. In a 2019 study published in the journal Nutrition Research, scientists found that eating 2 ounces of walnuts a day for about 2 weeks slowed breast cancer growth or reduced the risk of developing the disease. New research published in the journal Nutrients is suggesting a link between walnut consumption and lower cancer risk. Regularly consuming walnuts may positively be related to reduced cell migration and invasion in several carcinomas. The WAHA study is a randomized clinical trial conducted in free living elders aimed at evaluating the effects of walnut consumption in cognitively healthy seniors. In a 2016 article published in the journal Cancer Prevention Research, scientists found that walnuts induce changes to the gut biome which could prevent colon cancer. In a study published in 2021, researchers at Vanderbilt University Medical Center found that nut consumption was regularly associated with longer breast cancer survival in women aged 20 to 75. Participants who consumed walnuts at a regular basis had higher survival and disease-free survival rates 10 years after diagnosis. Walnuts have pedunculagin, a tannin that the body metabolizes into urolithins. Urolithins are compounds that bind to estrogen receptors and may play a role in preventing breast cancer. A 2013 study published in the journal Cancer Investigation indicates that eating a modest amount of walnuts can protect against prostate cancer. Immune-deficient mice were injected with human prostate cancer cells. Within 3 to 4 weeks, tumors typically start to grow in a large percentage of these mice. This study found that 3 of 16 mice, so 18%, eating the walnut-enriched diet developed prostate tumors, compared with 14 of 32, so 44% of the non-walnut controlled diet developed prostate tumors. Notably, the final average tumor size in the walnut-fed animals was roughly one-fourth the average of the prostate tumors that developed in mice eating the controlled diet. In a 2018 study published in the Journal of Clinical Oncology, researchers found that diets with a higher consumption of nuts may be associated with a significantly reduced incidence of cancer recurrence and death in patients with stage 3 colon cancer. The research on the preventive and treatment potential of walnuts are quite interesting. A number of the studies have focused on mice, but the human population studies are also quite promising. Therefore, it's a good idea to incorporate walnuts as part of a healthy diet. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you.